Now it's finally time to glue all these pieces together, and I'm going to use biscuits because why not? First I will glue this middle part to these two pieces, and then I will let it dry. Then I will glue the rest of these pieces here together. This is pretty much the only place that I can do it, on the top of this table frame. I don't have enough space anywhere else. Maybe I have to put some boards under it. But now I will mark those places for the biscuits and cut those. And this side, or this end here, that's now flush, so I will kind of use this as a reference here. Step 1 is done. It looks pretty good. I will now let it dry for a few hours. Then I will glue these last pieces. I also clean this glue away now because it's easier at this point. So it looks pretty clean. pretty even. I don't know if these biscuits helped something. I think so. It's easier to line these perfectly. Looks good. It's been about 3 hours now, and it's time to glue the rest of these woods. I think it's pretty good. Now I will let it dry a long time, maybe day or two. I am planning to put under some kind of maybe aluminium or steel or whatever, just to keep it straight, that it's not going to bend. That's my plan. That's my plan anyway. It's been now 2 full days drying this glue. I will now take all these clamps away, and I want to see, is it going to bend when I release this pressure of these clamps. That's going to be interesting. I'm not super worried if it's not 100%. So this middle part, it's a little bit lower, this middle part. I'm not worried about that so much. It's very, very little. I think I can move to the next step. I will make all these corners round. These ends, both of these ends, I have to clean that these are straight. I was worried that it will bend more. It's not bad. It's not bad. There's lots of sanding. Oh, it's going to be... It's heavy.